Well, it is the first day of school for thousands of more students as classes back in session at Oceanside Unified, Vista Unified, as well as Cajon Valley Union School District. That is where we find ABC 10 News reporter Danny Miskell. She is live there, and Danny, students are returning during a time when the school board is taking a stand against a new controversial state law.
Good morning, Mel. Yeah, so that new state law is called the Safety Act, and it aims to protect trans youth students by stopping teachers from telling their parents if they decide to transition or to change their gender pronouns. Now, the Cajon Valley School Board just passed a policy of their own defying this law. They're calling it the Parental Bill of Rights. What's your take on it?
I am for it. The teachers should get involved with the parents about that.
Atula Tofa is a parent of one student here at Cajon Valley Middle School. She says she is in favor of the new Parental Bill of Rights policy that the school district just passed, stating that Cajon Valley staff needs to talk to parents if their students have decided to go by a different pronoun or gender identity. This applies to students 12 years old and younger.
I'd rather they talk to me than to someone else.
Yeah.
You know, I always tell my kids, no matter how bad the situation is, I'd rather you come to me first.
However, Atula says she's learned more about this issue because her children have friends who are trans.
I never fully understand this until, she shared to me about this. And now my two younger ones also, understand.
And because of that, she sees both sides of this controversial issue that can put trans students at odds with their own parents and their own teachers. The California Department of Education says the new state law is for transgender youth who are entitled to safe school environments free from discrimination. The act was passed to protect the LGBTQ+ community from being bullied, and that includes being bullied at home and behind closed doors. Cajon Valley's Board of Trustees says the Parental Bill of Rights has been in the works for 9 months and that the measure is in the best interest of the vast majority of students.
I don't see this, respectfully, as an outing concept. I just don't. I see this as parents being involved in the upbringing of their children, especially young children, whom themselves have not fully matured and have the mental capacity to make.
10 News also spoke to a trans student in a neighboring school district, and they told us based on their experience, having the Safety Act enacted is actually a benefit to the community because it gives them more time to make their own decisions. Now, while the Cajon Valley School District has already enforced its Parental Bill of Rights, California's Safety Act doesn't go into effect until January of 2025. Live in Cajon Valley, I'm Danny Miskell, ABC 10 News.